Yeah, hello guys. So I want to take you through how you can withdraw your docs token. So and very quickly. So as you can see on my screen here, I'm having 16,176 DOGs. So right now I want to withdraw to exchanges. So just click on deposits to exchanges, just as you have it here. Deposits to exchanges. So you have withdraw in Telegram, withdraw in exchanges, but I would advise that you just click on withdraw to exchanges because of the gas fees that will be required for non-custodial wallet or claiming. Do you get it? So just click on exchanges. So click on exchanges and then click on continue. So which of these two are you planning, or do you wish to deposit your dog's token? So for the purpose of this video, I'll be using BYBIT. I'll be making use of BYBIT. So select BYBIT if that is what you're using. So click on BYBIT and click on send here. So it's asking, do you have a BYBIT account? You need to add your deposit address and memo to receive DOG. So if you don't have a BYBIT account, you will have to create one. So kindly check the link to open your BYBIT account in the video description below. But if you have it already, then you have no issue. So just click on yes, I have it. Click on yes, I have it. So once you click on yes, I have it. So now you have to look for this free information on your BYBIT. Free information on your BYBIT. Now I want you to pay more specific attention in this case so that you will not lose your dog's token. Do you get it? So right now I'm going to go to my BYBIT. So you are going to bring your BYBIT user ID, and then what is the dog's deposit address, and also you are going to also put the memo. So three things that you need. Please pay attention to this video. So alright guys, so now let's go to my BYBIT. So now I'm on my BYBIT account. So BYBIT app. So where are you now going to get the UID, user ID of your BYBIT? So you can see right here at the top left hand corner, you can see something like an icon. So that is where you are going to click on. So once you click on it, the icon, it will take you here. So and as you have it here, you can see that you have UID here. So that is your user ID. So you are going to click on this small icon beside it. So that is the copy button. So once you click on the copy button, it's going to copy your user ID. Then you go to Telegram and you go and paste it there. So alright, so copy right now. So once you've copied, so you go back to Telegram and then you tap on this BYBIT UID. You can see it's blinking already. So that is where you are going to paste your user ID from BYBIT. So now I've already pasted my user ID. So now what do we need again? We now need the dog's deposit address. So let us go back to BYBIT to copy the dog's deposit address. So I'm back to BYBIT. So click on assets down here. So click on assets. So now click on deposits. You click on deposits. So right now you want to deposit crypto. Click on deposit crypto. So now what do you want to deposit? Click on the search icon here. So and then you type in DOG, and then you can search. So right now, can you see it here? So click on it. So now that it's loading for you, it's telling you to actually select a chain type. So you only have just one network, which is Stone. So just click on Stone network. So right now it's telling you make sure that you copy the dog's deposit address and the deposit memo or tag when making a deposit. So click on OK. So now what do you want to do? So just click on the copy icon that you have here and also copy the tag number, the tag ID. Make sure you copy both of them, but copy it separately. Do you get it? So now that you've copied it, so let's go back to the Telegram bot to paste it over there. So I have pasted it there where the dog deposit address is. So now I need to go back to BYBIT to copy the memo. Make sure that you do this and follow this video strictly. So now let's go back to BYBIT to copy the memo. So back to BYBIT. So just click on the tag. This is what you want to copy. So just click on here. So it will copy for you. So once you copy, you go back to the bot to paste it there. So right now I've already pasted it there. So you can see the user ID at the top, the dog's deposit address in the middle, and down you have the tag. Do you get it? So now you're going to click on send. Click on send. So you click on send and let's see what it's going to take us. So it's asking that you should confirm all of these details that you've provided. So confirm your withdrawal. So I'm withdrawing this, and then it's asking that okay, you may lose your token if this UID, wallet address, or memo are incorrect, blocked, or doesn't exist. So you get it. So now, and you must have passed the KYC, know your customer, of BYBIT or OKX accounts that you're submitting. Do you get it? So if you've not yet passed your KYC, you have to do it before you go on with this process. Do you get it? So right now I'm going to click on I confirm to actually confirm the procedure. So right now my deposit is in progress. So now I am ready for the listing on August 20. So just click on Woof, and then you are done, and then you should be expecting that your dog's token will be deposited to your BYBIT account on listing. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, kindly give us a thumbs up, kindly share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Until next time, this is FinTech Space with Team Bees. Bye for now.